necklaces have already been ordered, and I see why. This is J446062. This is from David Markstein's collection here at QVC. And this is the sterling silver Premier Luxe Paperclip necklace. Paperclip, I have seen this design all over, but you have never seen it like this before. This is fresh from the fair. I love this shot that you're about to see. This is a lobster claw clasp, easy to put on. If I can do it, everybody can do it. But the paperclip with the diamond cutting is stunning. Now, you can choose from the 18, the 20, or the 22-inch length.
Correct.
You can also choose the silver, yellow, two-tone silver and yellow, the two-tone silver and black, or the two-tone silver and rose gold. But David Markstein is here with us. My friend, you just absolutely blow our minds with the Italian jewelry. It is always so good to see you. Hi,
I love what I do.
Welcome back, because you're fresh from the fair yourself.
I am, yeah. We came back, so 3 weeks ago, we were there and we found this item. And normally, the way it works in retail is a buyer goes and they select an item and they would order that item and the factory makes it and then it comes in 3 months later or 2 months later. But this was so hot. We took the samples from the factory. We know this booth at the fair, and we had this item, and we thought it was so beautiful. It had a technology story, and we took the only samples. You have the only samples here, which means that when the customers buy this, they're just reserving theirs, which is I love. But the fact that what we have here is this paperclip design, and what's so unique about this is we challenged the factory. We said, you know, they originally had the all white silver. And they had the silver and the yellow gold plated over it, the 18-karat plated. And we said, what if you put the plating over it and then diamond cut through it? So they put black, they plated black over it, and then they diamond cut through, and then you got the black. They plated yellow over the white silver, and you got white. And so only thing that comes through when you diamond cut is the white coming through, and it looks like diamonds.
That's it right
So it's
there.
a technological achievement, very difficult to produce. They were able to make this for us. Just these samples alone, and we're gonna make yours as you purchase it, and it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful, solid sterling silver. I love the color story here too, because what's happening here, a layering story and a color story going on here. That black is so hot right now. We have that rose two-tone, the black two-tone. It's beautiful.
Well, and there's the two-tone in the yellow and the silver. Here's the all yellow. Then here's the black and the silver. Here's the all silver, and then look at that rose gold. Oh, I love the rose gold. That is so beautiful.
So unique.
You have been in the jewelry industry for how many years?
32 years now.
It's amazing to me.
Started at QVC in 1993.
Exactly, and we were teammates for years, and we always used to go to David and say, okay, what is it about this piece? Tell us in technical terms. Okay, now tell me in non-technical terms.
Yes.
And you can see how beautiful it is. It's feminine, it's elegant, it just plays and dances in the light, but it's not a heavy piece around my neck, which I love.
The scale is perfect. So in order to make this paperclip the width that we wanted the lobster claw to be able to fit on every one of those links. So if you have the 22-inch and you want to make it a 20-inch bit, depending on your outfit, you can hook that anywhere and any of those links because it fits right on there. And we wanted that to be done. The scale is perfect. I love the layering story going on right now. Everything about what's going on in the jewelry industry right now is layering, not just at an Italian jewelry fair, but everywhere. And then we have a color story going on here. Normally the colors are always yellow, white, rose. What we did here was we have the traditional yellow and white, and then we have that two-tone white, the two-tone rose, and the two-tone black, which is a little more edgy, but beautiful.
Well, and I look at the price. Okay, so I know made in Italy, sourced by our David. The fact that this has got hand craftsmanship involved. The 18-inch is 5 easy payments of $14. The 20-inch is $79.98. The 22-inch is $89.98 for precious metal.
It's amazing. It's just amazing that we work so tight on this. You know, being a buyer, I know what it's like to negotiate.
Right.
And so I can negotiate with the factories as well as the buyers negotiate with us. So it's a great combination, and we can bring you the absolute best price. This is not only, it's wonderful that it's affordable because you can buy more than one, but the ingenuity behind this product, and this is where the Italians are great. They just are so good at this.
Well, and you can grab yours now, 18, 20, or 22 inches, then choose the silver, yellow, two-tone silver and yellow, the two-tone silver and black, or the two-tone silver and rose gold.
That's right.
But there's a matching bracelet.
There is, and the bracelet is unbelievable. Now, the bracelet was really important because